Hi guys, Miss Webb here. I hope you had a great Easter Sunday. It is Monday morning and we are here to do our math lesson. And we have a new learning objective, and I'm going to just read that with you really quickly. When given a two-digit number, that means the number has two numbers inside of it, a two-digit number, I can mentally find 10 more or 10 less. And remember, mentally means you can visualize it in your head like a movie without having to write anything down or count with your fingers or anything. We're just thinking about the answer in our head. So when given a two-digit number, I can mentally find 10 more or 10 less. Okay, so let's take a look at this number that we see. It is the number 62 in tens and ones. So what I want you to tell me is how many tens are in the number 62. Can you guess it? Let's take a look at our place value chart and see if we can figure that out. So there were 6 tens in the number 62. If you said 6, you were correct. 6 tens were in the number 62, and there were 2 ones in 62. So let's go ahead and move on past a few things here, and let's go to the next question. What is 10 more than 62? So instead of changing the ones place, you've got to change the tens place. 10 more than 62 would be 72. If you guessed 72, you were correct. Okay, now let's take a look at this number. This number is 87. So let's just count that quickly together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. That is the number 87, and we want to ask what one less than 87 is. So you just take one of the ones away because we're finding out what one less than 87 is. So we had 87 and we took one away, and the tens place stays the same, but the ones place becomes a 6, so it's an 86. 1 less than 87 is 86. What would 10 less than 87 be? So we've got 87 here, and we'd have to take a 10 away to get 10 less than 87. So there we are taking 10 away. So 10 less than 87 would be 77. Okay, so now I want you guys to think about a different way to solve 10 more, 10 less. We used tens and ones, and we used the place value charts, and now I want you to think about the numbers on the hundreds chart. So let's just first choose a number. Let's choose green and go to 24. So we're trying to do this without having to count. Let's count first to see what 10 more than 24 would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 more than 24 is 34. It's right underneath 24. And so instead of having to count the whole row, you can just know that 10 more than a number is one row below it, right underneath the number. So 24, 10 more would be 34. If we were to look at 48, 10 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not very efficient to count. It's much faster to just know to go underneath the number. So 10 more than 48 is 58, going down. What about 63? 10 less than 63. So 10 more, you go down 1. 10 less, what do you think? You go up 1. Let's count back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 less, you move up on the hundreds chart 1, and you get 53. So that is how you find 10 more and 10 less on the hundreds chart. And some of you, maybe a lot of you already knew that. Just to review quickly, let's do one more and one less. So when we do 10 more and 10 less, it's up and down on the hundreds chart. But when you do one more and one less on the hundreds chart, you just move to the right or to the left. So 1 less than 46, 1 less than 46, it would be 45. And of course, 1 more than 46 is 47. Okay, so now let's see if you guys can do some with me. Let's practice. So I'm going to black out our screen, or white it out, I should say, and choose a color. Let's choose blue first. So I'm going to uncover a number. Let me uncover a number first. Let's go to 28. Okay, so 1 less than 28 is, you got it, 27. 1 more than 28 would be, you got it, 29. Now, go back to 28 and think about 10 more than 28. What would 10 more be? Without counting on your fingers or maybe trying to write it down and drawing pictures, 10 more than 28 is 38. You just look at that tens place and know that when you add 10 to that tens place, the 2 becomes a 3, which really stands for 20 becomes 30. Whoops, I gave you that answer. 10 less than 28 was 18. All right, let's go to another one. Let's white out our board and do another one. Let's do this one right here, 62. And let's use yellow. Let's do 1 less. 1 less than 62 is, you got it, 61. 1 more than 62 is, you got it, 63. Now, what is 10 less than 62? 10 less. Did you go up? 52 was the right answer. What's 10 more? You got it, 72. Okay, let's white it out again. Let's go maybe over here. 89 is our number. We're looking for 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less. Let's use purple. What would be 10 more? 10 more. You got it, 99. What would be 1 less than 89? 1 less. Did you say 88? How about 10 less than 89? What would 10 less be? Move up for that. Good job, 79. And what would 1 more be? What's 1 more than 89? You got it, 90. You're doing so great. Let's do 2 more, and then I'll let you listen to a Jack Hartman video, and then you can do your assignment. So let's clear our board. Clear that board out, and let's do one over here. How about let's do one right there. Okay, 34. What would 1 more be than 34? You got it, 35. What's 1 less? 33. What's 10 more? Did you go down? 44. And what's 10 less? 24. Awesome, you guys. All right, 1 more. Let's try 58. Okay. What would 10 more than 58 be? Good, 68. What would 1 less than 58 be? 1 less. Whoops. 57. What would 10 less be than 58? 10 less. Good job, 48. And what's 1 more than 58? You got it, 59. I think you guys got it. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to turn in your assignments to your teacher. See you soon. Miss you guys.